Matthew Johnson is not missing. Matthew Johnson was murdered by the defendant. The defendant confessed to the informant that she shot Matthew in the master bedroom with a gun as he slept in the master bed.
Imagine reporting your husband missing when you already know exactly where he is. This is the story of Jennifer Gledhill, a wife whose lies unraveled into one of Utah's darkest murder cases. The disappearance that started it all. It began on the morning of September 25, 2024, when the Utah National Guard made a call to local police because one of their own, Matthew Johnson, 51-year-old, and a member of their unit, didn't show up for duty.
He's not been to work. His family and his friends have not seen him. There's no phone records or bank records, no activity.
His absence raised alarms, especially because his wife, Jennifer Gledhill, 41, had already reported he had been missing since around September 20th, 2024.
Matthew has not been seen or heard from since September 20th of 2024.
Following an argument at their home in Cottonwood Heights, Utah. From the outside, the Gledhill Johnson family seemed typical. 3 young children, a suburban home in Cottonwood Heights, and what appeared to be normal family life. But beneath that facade, troubling cracks were forming. Earlier in July 2024, Jennifer filed for divorce. Tensions over custody, separation, and alleged infidelity were already part of their story. The strange discovery. When police executed a search warrant for the Gledhill Johnson home, what they found raised immediate red flags. In the master bedroom, they discovered a brand new mattress bought mere days after Matthew's reported disappearance. They found reddish-brown stains on walls, blinds, bed frame, and carpet beneath the bed.
Is a cutout from that rug. Now, the location of that blood stain is consistent where Matthew would sleep.
The wall behind the bed was marked by a heavy dose of bleach. In fact, a circular stain on the bedroom floor under the head of the bed tested positive for human blood. Added to this, Jennifer's phone, GPS data, and surveillance video all pointed to movements and behavior inconsistent with someone whose spouse simply left. For example, data placed her vehicle at a gas station car wash where she thoroughly cleaned the vehicle on September 22, 2024. A day tied to the timeline investigators believe the murder occurred. The affair and the confession. Investigators uncovered that Jennifer was having an extramarital affair. A confidential informant, the man she was reportedly seeing, told police that on the night of September 22, 2024, Jennifer came to his home visibly upset and made a confession that wired investigators into action. According to his statement, Jennifer said that on September 21, 2024, while Matthew was asleep in their bed, she shot him in the head with his own 9mm Glock handgun. She then wrapped his body, hid it in a rooftop storage container, slid him down the stairs of their home, loaded him into her minivan, drove north, dug a shallow grave, and buried him.
She also confessed that she loaded Matthew's body into a rooftop storage container, slid him down the stairs, and loaded him into the back of her minivan. She confessed that she took Matthew's body north, dug a hole, and buried him in a shallow grave.
She told the informant bruises on her arms and legs were from moving Matthew's body and cleaning the house. She admitted to smashing his phone and hiding his vehicle in a nearby neighborhood.
She confessed that she smashed Matthew's cell phone and hid his truck in a neighborhood near the house.
He recorded the conversation and later gave those recordings and screenshots.
In fact, some of the new evidence the state has are videos taken that night of the defendant and Matthew arguing in the master bedroom.
To police, one chilling quote reportedly from Jennifer during a follow-up call. He's not a person. He wasn't a person anymore. He wasn't Matt. Arrest and charges. On October 2, 2024, Jennifer Gledhill was arrested and taken into custody without bond. On October 15, 2024, the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office formally filed 9 felony charges against her: first-degree murder, 5 counts of obstruction of justice, possession with intent to distribute, abuse or desecration of a human body, and witness tampering. The body of Matthew Johnson remains unrecovered, a fact that complicates the legal and emotional landscape of the case. Just days later, on October 24, 2024, Jennifer's parents, Thomas Gledhill, 71, and Rosalie Gledhill, 67, were arrested for investigation of obstruction of justice. Police allege they helped clean up the crime scene, purchase a new mattress for Jennifer's home after the incident, and otherwise assist in hiding evidence.
A new mattress on the master bed, a smell of bleach in the house, fresh white marks from the cleaning on the wall behind the master bed, and blood found in the carpet underneath the master bed and on the slats of the master bed.
In February 2025, Judge Adam Mao ordered that Jennifer stand trial. She waived her right to a preliminary hearing and pleaded not guilty to all charges. Additionally, in March 2025, a judge denied her bond, citing that she posed a significant danger to the community. She is also ordered to have no contact with her children, ages 11, 7, and 5, either in person or electronically. The judge cited concerns for their safety and the integrity of the investigation. The dark reason behind it all? What truly makes this story chilling is the mixture of motive, confession, and absence of a body. Prosecutors allege Jennifer killed Matthew after he confronted her about the affair. The date of September 20th, 2024 is key. Matthew allegedly told her he knew about her affair. Officials believe that very night or the following early morning, she carried out the act. The forensic evidence supports the timeline, including the mattress purchase, the bleach discoloration, and GPS tracking of Jennifer's phone and vehicle. The confession to the informant gave prosecutors a detailed narrative of the crime in her own words. Still, the lack of a physical body leaves some critical questions unanswered. Where is Matthew Johnson buried? Was anyone else involved in the disposal? Did Jennifer act alone? The involvement of her parents raises additional questions. Were they willing participants?
Night officers have now arrested the parents of the woman accused of killing her husband, a National Guardsman.
Thomas and Rosalie Gledhill have been arrested on 3 counts of obstruction of justice.
Or did they believe they were helping their daughter in some other way? Court documents say the mother purchased the new mattress at Jennifer's request, and the father's phone records place him where the mattress was delivered.
Police say the Gledhills helped their daughter Jennifer clean up the evidence after she murdered Matthew Johnson.
For true crime audiences and documentary creators like your channel Judge Wire, the interplay of life, death, secrecy, and a missing body gives the narrative a haunting edge. Conclusion. In the quiet hills of Cottonwood Heights, the Gledhill Johnson home was transformed from family space to crime scene overnight. What started as a marriage on the brink became an alleged murder plot with haunting implications. A wife is accused of walking into her bed, shooting the man she once called husband, cleaning up the crime scene, burying the body, and then going on with life, all while her 3 children remained in the home. Jennifer Gledhill remains incarcerated, awaiting a trial set for late 2025. The body of Matthew Johnson has still not been located. His family, his fellow National Guardsmen, and the community continue to search not only for answers, but for a way to bring him home. This story is a stark reminder. Sometimes the person who reports someone missing may hold the answers. Sometimes the face of a loving mother hides long-buried secrets.
Police say the parents have not cooperated with the investigation and have not helped to find Johnson's body. Police are still searching for that body tonight.
And sometimes, simple questions. Where is he? Who will tell the truth? Echo longer than any confession. If you found this story gripping, please like this video, Comment your thoughts on how you think justice will unfold, and don't forget to subscribe to Judge Wire for more real-life crime stories like this.